Hey everyone, Jason here, digital marketing consultant, and in this ClickFunnels review and demo, you're going to learn the top 5 reasons ClickFunnels is awesome and one of the best sales funnel builder software solutions out there. And when you stick around to the end, I'll be sharing with you my personal opinion on who ClickFunnels is for, and more importantly, who ClickFunnels is not for. So timestamp table of contents in the description, along with some playlist and video links comparing ClickFunnels to other solutions like Kartra, Kajabi, Leadpages, Thrive Themes, Optimize Press, the list goes on and on. Here, let's go ahead and focus on why ClickFunnels is awesome and then wrap up with who it's for and not for. Now, reason number 5, ClickFunnels is great, comes down to its ease of use. If you are a complete beginner and new to this whole sales funnel building thing or online marketing thing, then ClickFunnels is absolutely one of the best softwares out there because it literally holds your hand through the entire sales funnel process. Now, if you're any sort of a veteran or you've been at this for 3 to 6 months, you understand what a funnel is, you know the difference between a webinar funnel, a launch funnel, and then just a plain old VSL funnel, then the extra stuff that ClickFunnels gives you in terms of that giant easy button probably isn't really going to matter all that much. But something that I really like about ClickFunnels, especially for beginners, is it really demystifies the whole sales funnel building process. And when you're going to go build your sales funnel, they actually just made a long laundry list of every possible combination of funnel you could put together. Now, a little asterisk here, as someone who likes to keep it simple, I actually find this to be a little bit of a downside as well, though, because when you're first building your funnel, all you need is a landing page, a sales page, send some emails, and then a checkout sequence. Like, that's it. You don't need all these complex funnels. But if you want to get fancy and you want to understand what you can do and the possibilities, then ClickFunnels definitely is a giant easy button when it comes to creating funnels and just building a high converting marketing process. Now, reason number 4, ClickFunnels is great, is the ease of split testing. When it comes to optimizing your sales funnels, optimizing your online sales process, split testing is the number one thing you need across everything that you're doing, whether you're just making content, whether you're driving ads, whether you're testing emails, landing pages, sales pages. Heck, ClickFunnels even allows you to test your confirmation page, which is something that I have not seen anywhere else. Now, you might be thinking, why on earth would you want to test your confirmation page? And I'm talking about the confirmation page after someone is opted into your email list, enter their name and email on a landing page, or the confirmation page after they've purchased. And it's crazy to think that you could actually split test those pages, because if someone's just bought your product, you may actually want people to take an action after they've purchased. And so you can try different pages to see, hey, which page actually gets someone to set up the account or get someone to fill out the implementation program survey or whatever action you want them to take. So when it comes to split testing, ClickFunnels makes it an absolute breeze. And that is just an absolute must when it comes to your online marketing. And when you're setting up your split tests, you can easily just duplicate the current page you have and change out your headline or a couple bullet points, which is where I recommend starting, or you can start with an entirely new template. Now, just a little asterisk here, if you're setting up your split tests, once you've chosen your page type, when you go to create the second page, you're only going to see the pages of that type. So for example, if you want to use a sales funnel template for your landing page, then your first variation needs to be the sales funnel template, because when you go and create the duplication for your split test, ClickFunnels is only going to allow you to choose the landing page templates, not the sales page templates. If that didn't make any sense, no worries. I just wanted to add that in there in case you're already inside of ClickFunnels and you're getting a little frustrated. So reason number 3, ClickFunnels is awesome, comes down to it's a full stack. Something that can drive you nuts when you're trying to put together your just a basic funnel is trying to connect so many different services. I think something like Automate.io and Zapier are perfect examples of how ridiculously contrived and crazy it's gotten trying to connect different solutions together. If you've never heard of those two, essentially it's a piece of software that makes sure that your other pieces of software can actually talk to each other. Well, if you're just going to pay for ClickFunnels, you don't have to deal with any of that headache, because all of your shopping carts, your landing pages and sales pages are all talking to each other. And really the only thing you have to worry about integrating is your email autoresponder, because I don't recommend using their Action EdX and Backpack Edit that's part of their Edison suite at $300 a month. Now, when it comes to your membership sites, ClickFunnels actually has you covered there as well. So you can have your entire digital business inside of ClickFunnels and then just connect whatever email autoresponder you decide to use. I recommend checking out ConvertKit, MailerLite, or ActiveCampaign, one of those three, and you have everything you need. Literally two pieces of software, and you're good to go. Now, a little asterisk here again, when it comes to the membership sites, you're not going to be doing anything fancy, right? You're not going to have multiple membership levels and a bunch of extra packages or add-ons. When you make upsells and downsells inside of ClickFunnels, though, it is very easy to say this upsell equals this product in my membership website. So in that regard, it's really, really nice and integrated. And when you're trying to build something on WordPress, you'll find that this is just so much easier to use and manage. Now, reason number 2 is one of my personal favorites, and that is tracking. Something that drives me nuts and our clients nuts, because I run a little digital marketing agency, is actually figuring out which specific landing page or which specific traffic source resulted in the most sales. Now, yes, you can set this up inside of Google Analytics using something called Google Tag Manager, but most of the time, unless you're actually working with a professional who understands Tag Manager, understands analytics, and maybe you're using something called Google Optimize, if that made no sense, then ClickFunnels definitely might be for you, because you're going to be able to easily see which specific funnel is producing the most new members, new subscribers, or new sales, because you're going to be able to see in one easy dashboard your statistics from your landing page all the way to checkout, upsells, downsells, the whole 9 yards. Something else that's really nice that our bigger clients really like about ClickFunnels is the fact that you can easily duplicate a funnel for another traffic source. So now, instead of dealing with tracking links, all you have to do is hit duplicate on a funnel that's already working and then say, you know what, we were driving Facebook traffic to this funnel, let's go ahead and drive Pinterest traffic or Instagram or YouTube traffic to this funnel, and then you can just duplicate your funnels and have essentially one funnel for each traffic source very quickly, very easily. And this also ties into the fact that if you're using some other pieces of software, using a combination of softwares, then you're creating multiple landing pages in one, you're creating multiple checkouts in another, and then you're trying to create multiple sequences in your email autoresponder, and then it just becomes a real mess. So it's nice that with just one button, you duplicate the entire funnel, and now you have your funnel for your next traffic source, which is something that we do for a lot of our higher ad spend clients, because if you're spending a couple $1,000s a month on ads, you want to make sure that you're optimizing the funnel for the actual traffic source. Now, reason number 1, ClickFunnels is awesome, actually comes down to price. And this was something that surprised me the most, because in the past I've been very critical of paying $100 a month for essentially a page builder with a shopping cart. However, based upon the other solutions out there, ClickFunnels is actually one of the most reasonably priced solutions in the context of a full funnel builder. So I'm not going to compare this to other solutions that don't have the full sales funnel ability. So looking at this chart, we're going to be comparing ClickFunnels to Kajabi, Kartra, and GetResponse. I also included a WordPress-based solution just in case you're thinking about doing everything on WordPress so you can see the price differences. Just remember that that last one is going to be a much more kind of technologically headache process than the other three, because the other three are going to take care of all that for you. You're going to have a lot more tech headaches with the last one, but it's going to pay off more in the long run. So ClickFunnels actually comes in the number 2 most expensive spot. You, of course, get a discount with most of these services, so it's $1,000 a year for ClickFunnels, $1,400 a year for Kajabi, $950 a year for Kartra, and then just $482 a year for GetResponse. However, when we look at what happens when our email list grows, Kajabi goes up to $200 a month when you have more than 10,000 subscribers or contacts, and Kartra at just 2,500 subscribers jumps up to almost $150 a month, which puts it in the same price range as Kajabi. And if you're going to compare Kajabi to Kartra, well, Kajabi definitely wins. So when it comes to pricing comparisons, out of the gate, ClickFunnels can look a little more expensive than the other solutions. However, if you look down the road just a little bit, assuming that your funnels are going to work, right? As soon as you cross the 2,500 to 5,000 subscriber mark, all of a sudden you're going to be looking down at the ClickFunnels price from Kartra, Kajabi, or GetResponse and go, wow, I really wish I was using ClickFunnels because now I'm paying more now that I'm a little more successful. So it's something to just keep in mind. Now, with all of this, I still recommend recommend having your own email autoresponder. So if you're going to use your own email autoresponder, you're not going to hit those contact limits when it comes to GetResponse, Kartra and Kajabi, but it is something just to note. And if you do decide to go to WordPress, your first year is going to cost $820, and then year number 2 is only going to cost $198. And you're going to see why I included this when we talk about who ClickFunnels is for and who ClickFunnels is not. So that does it for the top 5 reasons ClickFunnels is awesome. I was very, very surprised with the price. If you have anything to add or subtract from this list, go ahead and comment below. Let me know, because your experience or your insights is going to help other people figure out whether or not ClickFunnels is something they should be using at all. And speaking of that, let's go ahead and talk about who ClickFunnels is for and who isn't, because I think there's a lot of confusion. So let's just clear the air right now. Again, this is my opinion, obviously, but ClickFunnels is for businesses who are already making money. It's simple. If you're making money, ClickFunnels is designed for you. And if you're a new business owner or new entrepreneur who's not making any money yet, then ClickFunnels is not for you. And this is actually backed up by Russell Brunson, who's the founder of ClickFunnels. He actually went on a little rant because people were comparing the $97 a month price point to the $30 a month price point for Builderall, which I'm not even going to get into. Link in the description. If you've heard of Builderall, it's a complete piece of garbage. Doesn't even compare to ClickFunnels or anything else that we've talked about. There's just no comparison between the quality of the two. ClickFunnels is definitely worth the higher price point.
So for you guys, that's $100 and I can only build 30 funnels and I still have to get an SMTP mailer to send my emails out. I have no like empathy for that. None. Zero. I want you to leave us and go to your competitors. Please, for the love, leave us. Go for the $37 option. I want you to be their nightmare clients. I do not want you to be using ClickFunnels. I don't have any empathy. Zero. Not one iota of empathy for you. If you cannot pay $100, even $300, if you can't pay $300 to run your company, you are not an entrepreneur. You should leave this business.
But if $97 a month is stressful in terms of the budget you have for growing your business, then simply wait on ClickFunnels. You can do a lot on WordPress. And in fact, if the price point of Thrive Themes seems like a lot and the combination with ThriveCart seems like a lot, well, you can do a lot with free. I'll link up in the description. I did an entire video on how you could put together an entire sales funnel, collecting payments, growing your email list for $0. ClickFunnels really is designed for people who have a business already making money. And this is something I personally didn't really understand or realize until I started growing an agency. There are a lot of businesses out there that don't understand what funnels are. They don't understand that they should have something other than just a website. And so ClickFunnels comes in and fills that need really, really well. So if you already have a business, you have a marketing budget, spending $1,000 or $2,000 a year on some nice marketing software isn't going to break the bank, then yeah, you should check out ClickFunnels. If it's going to be stressful, then look at other options. You don't necessarily have to have ClickFunnels in order to be successful. So thank you so much for watching. I sincerely hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more software reviews and demos just like this one. And until the next, keep building the business you love.